It started off as a hobby, then it turned into a lifestyle. I'm Mr. Pin Drop, and this is my story.
Pin Drop Show, baby. We are here, Thailand. What I tell y'all, I'm gonna give y'all an exclusive.
Detroit, what up, though? Out here in Detroit, touchdown from Atlanta. Got a 5.5 hour layover, but it's all good. I don't know what I'm gonna do for 5.5 hours, but we're gonna make it work. From here, we're in South Korea. It's gonna be a 15-hour flight. From there, from South Korea, it's gonna be another 6-hour flight.
I'm gonna be staying Hotel Indigo. Yes, sir. Active outside already. I hit the front desk. They gave me some lemon casa as the welcoming drink. Souvenirs at Tiger Kingdom. Pretty nice spot. We're going for the big tiger, y'all. Big tiger. Inside this cave. Let's go. That's a bit scary. Me and you both. Me and you both. So tell me about Phuket, this area.
Oh, Phuket. So how big from Phuket? 543 square kilometers.
Okay.
And 30% is a flat and 70% a mountain. And we have two seasons, raining and hot summer.
So it's always hot here?
Always hot.
Yeah, is it any cold months?
Yes.
Winter?
No cold.
Never
Getting cold.
Okay. Are you from here?
I'm from north of airport.
Okay.
So at the mainland.
Okay. So what separates Phuket area from Bangkok? What's the difference?
Oh, different. Oh, Bangkok is crowded and a lot of people work with by factory. So
okay.
This is like a countryside.
Okay.
Tropical area, so good for grow up some something, some vegetable, some rubber plantation, and some fruit or
Then, we have the entrance with the photo. When you get to the boat taking 1 hour to the island calling PP Lake. PP Lake is small island. We do photo by Maya Beach. Maya Beach, we gonna parking the boat to the back side and then we walking. And boat parking outside, not there. That's why you don't need to forget money, camera, mobile phone for photo. Finish photo, we get to the boat. My name Bird.
Bird.
Sexy bird. Fly and fly and fly and fly. Leonardo DiCaprio.
Mini skirt on, dip my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on, dip my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on. Foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on, take my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on. Foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on. Foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya.
Yo. So I got a moment right now to really reflect, look around me, see how it's packed back there. But start the day off 7:45. It's a little late, for transportation. He was kind of pissed, and I could tell he was pissed. But I shot him a little 500 bahts and put a smile on his face. But nevertheless, today it's been pretty dope. Like, the vibe looked like the scenery, man. It's just the scenery here, man. I ain't know nothing about Thailand and how dope it was. I mean, I've learned a lot. Right now I'm on the Phi tour, Phi Island tour, and the tour is pretty dope. I ain't even gonna lie to you. The tour is pretty dope. I'm learning a lot. I got to see monkeys, bananas. They came out the tree. It's a bit long. I'm not even gonna front. It's a bit long. I'm one of them dudes that I don't know why I chose it. I chose it. I take full responsibility. But I'm one of them dudes, that don't like to be on tours all day long. And that stop and rest for an hour and a half. That kind of blew me a little bit. But nevertheless, this experience on Phi Island has been dope, man. Like, look at this. I really can't complain about nothing. Further down there, you got a whole bunch of boats, a whole bunch of people. So like I said, I can't really complain, man. This is one of those trips that it's not about really the turn up, but the relaxation and the scenery and how nature it's so amazing. And, you know, what I found amazing was the fact that these big old islands is broken up and separated like that. And they got all these, the water. I can't forget about the water. The water was dope. Aqua blue water. Salty as hell. Don't let it get in your nose. So I'm warning y'all, it's salty as hell. But anyway, great experience on this phuketPhi tour. I say it cost about, I'm gonna say, I can't even remember. I put it in the comments once I figure out. But everything here in Thailand seemed to be dirt cheap. From the liquor, the beer, the food. I ain't got no complaints, but I'm not gonna hold y'all. It is hot out here. It is mad hot out here. I mean, the humidity level is crazy. So this overcast right now, I'm definitely appreciative of this overcast, because if it was sunny, boy, I'm sweating and there ain't even no sun outside. Anyway, I'll get back with you. It's the Pin Drop Show, baby.
I don't want just anybody. Can you treat me like somebody? I don't want just anybody.
Y'all, it's crazy out here. Nightlife is up.
Let me treat you like somebody. Try to dive on a Rari. This forever, we ain't stopping. You the life of the party. No doubt. Apply that pressure, don't need no straw. Try to you special, I need your love. Need your love, need your love right now. Won't tell nobody. Down the middle, if I get it, then you got it. Seen the first inside the lobby. It's a girl I want for life right beside me. Stuck together through whatever, like we signed me. Stay slow type, I keep telling her to try me. Keep it on the low, but I'm falling for your high key. Check off every box, gotta do it.
Yeah, y'all see it, the food.
Ooh, that girl, them my dad. She walk by, that's him, my dad. I live by it, but a beat by herself. So unfair, I don't care. Whoa. You should take my number. Oh, I really wanna give you money. Whoa. We can meet up somewhere, baby, I don't care. You should know I don't want just anybody. Let me treat you like somebody. Try to dive on a Rari. This forever, we ain't stopping. You the life of the party. No doubt. Apply that pressure, don't need no straw. Try to you special, I need your love. Need your love, need your love right now. I treat you good, babe. No time for Mickey D, don't need no hood day. I ain't tryna rush it all, I know I should wait. I ain't perfect, but I love when you the good way. Can't go back, I know that. You got dirt, don't hold back. Diamond in the rough, hope you know that. Might not agree, but you show that. I done made my decision. Just 1 second, girl, listen. I ain't tryna run no game. Whoa. You